the Pitstoposaurus. One of the most, how do I say it, surprising and unique characters. I say that because I'd never thought I'd see be a petty dinosaur. You know, I thought all the Westphalanthropus and all that, which are all very big, bulky dinosaurs, but this thing, yeah, this thing's the complete opposite. Like all the dinosaurs, it's got a sort of stone effect, which is a bit textured as well, which is a great detail, a spectacular detail even. Well, it also comes with a little tyre, well, a little set of tyres, I should say, which are muddy, brown. Yeah, got a hole in them, and unlike the other pitties which come with tyres, there's not this little indent. There's not a little indent in them, which of course the pitty can poke their fork into, and that's annoying. But still, on this, you could slide it, put it on, and look at that. You can also do this, I suppose. Looks like he's lifting some weights. He probably, his right arm, or right fork, I should say, would probably be stronger than his left one if that was the case. If he only did his right arm. Still, let's look at the vehicle itself. Right, we've got lots of dust, I assume, on the wheels. So, Michael, actually thinking about it now, why, if it was dust, then why wouldn't it be on the side of the car? I don't know. Still, there's a little bit of moss at the bottom, or what I think is moss. Grainy decals, which is, well, actually okay on this one. Normally I'm, not a fan of, the Thailand variant because you have grainy decals, but this is a case exception, alright? Around the back, more moss, and there's more black rock stuff. Don't know what it is and what it's meant to be. Same thing on the roof, too. Right, oh my god, he got a bit of an overbite. So, albeit just a single tooth. Got a very grumpy expression, bit like me most of the time. Which is true, actually, true. Still, hey, have a great day, folks!